Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I wanted to share with you guys a what's in my bag, and specifically actually me transitioning from my day-to-day bag to this bag to show you guys what fits in here. This is the Coachtopia Ergo bag. They have a mini size now that actually has, I believe, like a crossbody strap, but this one specifically does not. It is in their brown checkered print pattern. They come in solid colors, different checkered prints as well. When they first launched, they had a wavy checkered in like a red and pink pattern, and it was so beautiful, but I specifically loved this one, and this launch sold out really quickly. This is their sustainable line, so it's Coach's line, but it is their sustainable circular fashion line. And the last time I did an unboxing for you guys, you asked me, well, just one of you guys asked me if I could do a what fits in my bag or a what's in my bag with this, just to get an idea of what fits inside. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is not a very big bag. It's also very structured, and it just has this top handle. So with that being said, it is mostly white, so I am a little bit more weary and careful with it. I like to make sure I wipe the handle down with the baby wipes. I like to make sure I spray it with the Carbon Pro to make sure that it doesn't get all gross. And now if you're really worried about this, you could probably wrap like a silk scarf around it and it would look so cute. But I think there's already like a lot going on with the bag, so I don't know if I particularly would want to wrap a silk scarf. I do have one here from Louis Vuitton, but I just don't think it goes with it. So for now I'm leaving it blank the way it is, but just to show you guys a general gist of the bag, here is a 360. Over here there is a leather tag that says Coach, and then it does also come with the acrylic tag that says Coachtopia, which is probably very hard for you to see because it is in black leathering with all that like tortoise shelling happening. And then here the front and the back look the same, no feet on the bottom. This is what the handle looks like, and then on the inside it just, if you can see there's one little clasp that kind of holds it together, but definitely someone can reach their hand in here and pickpocket you if they really wanted to. There is one little pocket on the inside as well. I don't know if you can see that. So here is what that bag looks like. This is my phone. I have a regular sized iPhone. I think this is the 13 Pro. So I will throw that in there, and it actually does fit. See? Fits. Oh, why is it stuck right now? Oh, it's getting stuck on the pocket. So my iPhone is in there, and currently I'm using this. I use this all the time. It's just a lot easier for me to use this purse. So let me see if there's anything that's important in the back there. It's just receipts, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. I have the Resurrection Rinse-Free Hand Wash from Aesop. I'll just plop that in there. I have a Necessaire hand cream. I will plop that in there. I have this Juice Bubble Talk by Aurea. This is really old, and it's actually very soothing and like nice on the lips. Actually, let me show you guys. And it's very cute because it looks like a little popsicle. Love the packaging of it. It is such a nice lip gloss. It's very, very nourishing. So I will pop that in there. No rhyme or reason. I have my Bastia coin purse that carries like random medication, so I'll just plop it in there. Another lip balm. This one's from Aven. I think I got this for $3. Not great. I don't recommend this thing. Plop that in there. And then lastly, I have my wallet. This is my new wallet that I've been using. I like it because it's very, very thin. And this is the Calvi card holder. It's not the Calvi Duo. Calvi Duo, if you open it up, would have like an area for your coins, but this one's just the regular Calvi Duo, and it matches my Bastia coin purse. If they look different, that's because this one I found out from you guys. You guys reminded me that it's made of Chev leather, so that's why it's like shiny. And then this one I think is made out of Epsom, so they are slightly different, but still very nice. So I have a dual there. And that fits inside. You could fit a ton more things, honestly, if you wanted to. Like beside me I have this Glossier hand cream. and that fits inside as well. I could put another Glossier lip balm, one of my faves, fits inside as well, and you still have room. It's just that everything will start getting a little bit jumbled because I did put everything in with no rhyme or reason, right? So it is quite big and spacious. So far, I find with the quality, it's been really great. I've been using this all the time now. The leather looks really nice. I don't see it looking like it's staining anywhere. And I think the checkered print is holding up very nicely as well. You do have to realize that the leather is made from recycled fabric, so some of the leather is more porous and grainy looking than other squares, especially you notice it in the white here. But other than that, I think it's great. It still looks fantastic. It's such a showstopper. Every time I hold this bag or use this or wear it, I get so many compliments on this bag. I think this one is probably my most aesthetically pleasing and unique designs. Well, you might not agree that it's the most aesthetically pleasing, but I love the checkered print. It just looks so nice, and yeah, the quality has been really good. It is a bag that was made in Vietnam, it says on the side here. But I definitely highly recommend grabbing one of these if you can. I think it's great, it's sustainable, it's perfect. If you were to buy a new bag, at least you have in mind that this was a sustainable bag that you purchased. It's very nice and structured, so you don't have to worry about anything like sinking in. Like, I'm pressing in on the bag right now and it's so solid. So I really like the fact that that is it. You can't wear this on your shoulder. Unfortunately, it just doesn't look right. So it is a 1000% a crook of the arm or handheld bag. That's for sure, because if I wore it, either I have to carry it like this or I'm holding it constantly. I think with your sweaty pits, it could get stained a little bit. So just be a little bit careful with that. But other than that, yeah. The care for this thing is pretty simple. I just use baby wipes. After I use it, I wipe the whole bag down, I let it dry, and then the next day I'll spray it with Carbon Pro, and that way I know it's covered and good to go. I've only worn this in like good weather, like sunshine weather. I haven't been caught in rain yet. And I don't think I would want to be caught in rain with this just because the leather is white, so it's a little bit more delicate. For what I paid for this, I think it was really crafted really nicely. It just feels really good quality, and yeah, you just can't beat the look. The look is so beautiful. No? Anyways, that's what fits inside my Ergo bag. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!